Embutido. Embutido, the Filipino Christmas recipe.
I don't know, but apparently this is what we want. Look at that.
Maligayang Pasko!
Impressed. Very nice. Look at that.
Can I say pork embutido?
Amazing.
Pork embutido. The
Waiting for our beautiful Filipino meatloaf. Pica barbecue overload snack mix.
I thought this smells
I will say smell carabao, but you know.
embutido, the Filipino Christmas recipe. Maligayang Pasko!
Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and
Subscribe!
beautiful Christmas recipe from the Filipino Embutido that actually in Spanish means something like cured salami or chorizo, but for Philippine it's a meatloaf. Super typical for Christmas. Follow this recipe like the other one. Welcome to our channel, Life in Full Flavor. Subscribe. And what we need as ingredient for this beautiful meatloaf Filipino style recipe.
1 kilo of ground pork, 1 large carrot, 1 bell pepper. You can use either green or red. 1 onion and 6 cloves of garlic.
As usual, Filipino love garlic.
Half cup of raisins on my hands. Half cup of sweet pickled relish. It should be sweet.
Okay, that's another one, Filipino style, because pickles are pickles, but in Philippine are sweet pickles. Buh.
4 whole egg. Whole egg fresh. 4 whole fresh eggs. 170 ml of evaporated milk. We only have the big one, so you can use the smaller version.
Evaporada milk.
1 cup of bread crumbs. Half cup of grated cheese. And for the filling, it's optional. Hot dogs and boiled eggs.
Are not normal hot dogs. You need to buy the tender, juicy Filipino style, really red with cheese inside. Impressed. Very nice. Look at that. Very difficult. No, it's not true. Very easy recipe. And what we do?
In a bowl, since we're going to... In a bowl, we will mix the minced pork, carrots, bell pepper, the pickled relish, and that's it.
Of course, for our filling and to grate and mince all our ingredients, we use that. Our food processor comes with a lot of accessories from Amazon. I will put the link in bio.
So after we mix all the ingredients, this should how it looks like. This is what we want.
From my side, as usual, smell carabao.
And now we need to prepare it to wrap in foil.
With the hot dog and the eggs. Of course, there is a rules. We cannot taste it like that. Of course, that means we take a piece, we pan fry, we check if the flavor is okay, salt, pepper, wherever it is, and after we build our meatloaf. If you don't know, this is the carabao. This is from Philippine carabao.
But
Don't look super nice, but you know, it's just for tasting. Super nice. And that's it, guys. Ready to be cooked. Of course, we have our steamer pan coming from Amazon as usual. That's it. This is the steamer pot. It's coming with 4 layers. We will use one now. Unbelievable, super cheap. Buy one.
So each rolls we put half cup and steam it for 45 minutes to 1 hour.
Anyway, I will use our thermometer, digital thermometer, to control the temperature just in case I don't overcook this beautiful Filipino meatloaf. Of course, having that make the difference, guys. You never will overcook nothing. Of course, you can use for that, or you can use for your meat, your fish, wherever it is, even for your barbecue. Again, beautiful present from Amazon. You can control 2 at the time. Wireless, beautiful. Merry Christmas. And the best way to enjoy our embutido, the sweet chili sauce. I use Mamacita brand as usual, the best you can have, or you can use banana ketchup.
Embutido, the Filipino Christmas recipe.
Unbelievable, guys.
Time for tasting!
Time to taste this beauty. Look at that. Of course, don't forget the sauce, your ketchup, your sweet chili, wherever it is. Because the question is, take this beauty, dip it in, and enjoy. Actually, I'm a professional. Don't overcook it. 74 degrees, sharp, unbelievable texture, soft, juicy, unbelievable. This Filipino flavor, a little bit too sweet, but what to do? Merry Christmas, guys!
Maligayang Pasko!
Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and
Subscribe!